Hello and welcome to our channel. What is Python? A complete beginner friendly guide. Python is one of the most popular and powerful programming language in the world today. From beginners writing their first line of code to large enterprise building AI driven systems, Python is everywhere. But what exactly is Python and why it has become so widely adopted? But what exactly is Python and why has it become so widely adapted? What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted general-purpose programming language known for its simplicity, reliability, and versatility. It was designed to help developers to write clear and logical code for small and large-scale projects. Python focuses on readable syntax, which means you can express concept in fewer lines of code compared to many other programming languages. History of Python. Python was created in 1991 and it was designed a language that was easy to read and write, reduced complex syntax, improved developer productivity. Python has evolved through multiple versions, with Python 3 being the current standard and used worldwide. Key features of Python. Key features of Python. Python is simple and readable syntax. Python uses plain English like syntax, making it easy to understand and maintain. Interpreted language. Python code is executed line by line, which makes debugging easier and faster. High level language. You don't need to manage memory or syntax level details. Python handles that for you. Dynamically typed. Python is dynamically typed language. Cross platform. Python program runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux without modification. Large standard libraries. Python comes with thousands of built-in modules for tasks like file handling, web development, and data processing. Open source. Python is free to use and supported by massive global community. What we can do with the Python, uh, we can develop the web application using the frameworks like Django, Flask, Fast API. Data science and analysis. Data science and analytics project. Python dominates the data world due to libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. It is used for data analysis, visualization, and statistical modeling. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is the backbone of AI and ML with libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and Keras. From chatbots to recommendation system, Python powers modern AI. Automation and scripting. Python is excellent for automating repetitive tasks like file handling, web scraping, email automation, report generation. Game development. Python supports game development using libraries such as Pygame and Pandas 3D. DevOps and cloud. Python is heavily used in AWS, Azure, and GCP automation, infrastructure scripting, and CI/CD pipelines. Desktop and GUI application development. Python is used for desktop and GUI application development using the frameworks like Thinker, PyQt, and KV. Why Python is so popular? Python consistently ranks among the top programming languages globally. Python is easy to learn for beginners. It is in high demand in the job market, massive community support, and it is used by communities like Google, Netflix, Amazon, and Microsoft. And this is a perfect balance between simplicity and power. Who should learn Python? Python is ideal for beginners starting programming, and it is also good for students learning the computer science. It is used in data analysis and data scientists. It is used by analysts and data scientists. and Python is used in AI/ML application development, and Python is also used for backend development. It is used for automation and DevOps engineers. It is used by automation and DevOps engineers. Python is an easy to learn programming language. It comes with minimal syntax rules, English like keywords, immediate results, and huge learning resources. Future of Python. Python's future looks extremely strong due to growth in AI and machine learning technologies, data driven decision making, automation in enterprises, cloud native application. Python is expected to remain a top language for many years. Python is powerful, flexible, and beginner friendly programming language that has transformed how software is built today. Whether you want to develop a web application and analyze data, build AI system and automate tasks, Python is perfect choice. If you are thinking about learning programming, Python is one of the best place to start. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.